This is BTEC Engineering, Unit 7, Section B17 of the Section B examples. We're on page 22. As with the last few sections, we're going to be working on numerical integration, mid-ordinate rule, Trapezium Rule, Simpsons Rule. Now, this is a video and not a lesson, so as usual, you will need to pause the video in order to take notes. Right, so starting again with the mid-ordinate rule. This time our formula is V equals TE to the 4T. We're travelling in 4 seconds. So the first thing we need to find is the strip width. So the strip width is the amount of time travelled, so the 4, divided by how many strips we've got, which is again 4. So the strip width is 1. So if we're doing the actual strips, start at 0, going up in 1s until we get to 4. Those are the edges of the strips. And for the mid-ordinate rule, we need the midpoints. So halfway, 0.5, 1.5, 2.5 and 3.5. Now for the Trapezium rule, we need a table of values correspond to each of those midpoints. So T being 0.5, 1.5, 2.5 and 3.5. So we need to move to table mode. Table mode, mode 7. To stick X in, you press alpha close brackets. In this case, the formula in terms of T, in the calculator we would write as XE to the 4X. We've got how to do E, then you press Shift LN. So mode 7, alpha X, Shift LN to the 4 alpha X equals starting at 0.5, ending at 3.5, steps are going up in 1. So 3.6945280049, 605.1431902, 5506.16449, and finally 4209114.995. Mode 1 to go back to normal calculation mode, and then the formula, mid-ordinate rule, equals the strip width times the sum of the V. So the strip width is equal to 1. Open brackets, we add up all those V values. I might not want to rewrite them all again. So enough to recognise the number ... plus 605.14 ... plus 55066.16 ... plus 4209114.9 . Stick it all into the calculator, but using these numbers, not our abridged versions. So 605.1 43 1902 plus 55066.16449 plus 4209114.995, close bracket, equals 4264789.997. As usual, for merit and distinction, you will need to explain your method. Right, part B, Trapezium Rule, needs a slightly different table. and definitely a different formula. So for the trapezium rule, it's the edge of the strips that we need. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 for the t values. Again, we need to go through the table mode aspects. So mode 7, rewrite the formula. So alpha x e to the power of 4x. Starting this time at 0, because that table starts at 0, and ending at 4. So 0 equals 4 equals, step is still 1. Writing our values. 54.598150003, 5961.915974, 48826.4.3743, 3554442.08. Mode 1, we go back to normal calculator mode. Then trapezium rule. Equals strip width divided by 2. Open bracket. First plus last. Plus 2 times the rest. So sticking the values in, 1 divided by 2, open bracket, first is 0, last is the 3554444, 2.08 plus 2 times, sum of the rest, use abridged versions, 54.59 dot 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 plus 5961.9 dot 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 plus 488264.3 dot dot dot, close bracket, close bracket. Stick all of that into a calculator. Remember to use the values from the table, not the abridged ones. 4.59815003 plus 5961.915974 plus 48826.4.3743. Close bracket equals. You get 1826650.1.93 as our estimate by the trapezium rule. Then moving on to part C. C is the Simpsons Rule, so same table, different formula. So Simpsons Rule is strip width divided by 3. Open bracket, first plus last, plus 4 times the even, plus 2 times the rest of the odd, by odd and even, we're relating to position, so that's the first, that's the second, so that's even, third, that's odd, fourth, that's even, and fifth is the last. So sticking into the values, strip width is 1, so 1 over 3, open bracket, 0, plus last, 3554442.08, plus 4 times the even, again we can use abridged versions, 54.59, dot dot dot, plus 48826.4.3 dot dot dot, close bracket, plus 2 times, the only odd one is position 3, 5961.9 ... close bracket, close bracket. Stick it all into the calculator and we have our estimates. Remember to use the full versions from there. So plus 4 times 54.59815,003 plus 488,264.373 close bracket plus 2 times open bracket 5961.915974 close bracket equals. And that's our estimate. 1250321.93. Again, for merit and distinction, you need to explain your method. To compare your answers, and again, to get merit and distinction, you'll need to. Your answer in B10 was formed using integration, so that's the exact correct answer. So you rank the three estimates from this section based on how close they are to that answer. So if Simpsons Rule was closest, Simpsons Rule is the best estimate, and then the next closest is the next best estimate, and the furthest away is the worst estimate. Best of luck.